Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, today's October Patch Tuesday has been going okay for me. We'll be, of course, monitoring the background noise in the next hours and days to make sure that it doesn't break anything or anything weird happens. So for Windows 10, version 2004, 20H2, 21H1, if you're on the insider rings and are testing 21H2 in release preview, you're also getting this update today, which is the security updates. What does this add? What is the rundown of all of this? Well, first of all, it will bring your version number depending on where you are. If you look at the Windows version number at 19041, 19042, 19043, or 19044. That depends on the version you're at. But the ending is the same. It's 1288. And that's the update that you should have. So you should be at 1288 at the ending, whatever version you are at. It fixes 71 security flaws and more than 80 if you add Microsoft Edge. So 81, including Microsoft Edge. So it tells you about all the fixes. What is important in here is there are 4 of them that are really, really important to fix. So 4 of them are rated critical. 3, not known to be exploited in the wild, or 0 days. A Windows DNS Server remote code execution vulnerability. There's a Windows kernel elevation of privilege vulnerability, and Windows App Container Firewall Rules security features bypass vulnerability. But the one that is really bad is the Win32K elevation of privileges. That one is apparently used in what they call widespread espionage campaigns against IT companies. So particularly hit here are military defense contractors, diplomatic entities, and of course anybody that works close or has some job that might be close to this. This one is actively exploited and comes from Kaspersky Labs actually. So this is important to actually apply your updates to make sure that you stay safe. If we take a rundown of the different vulnerabilities, 21 are elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 20 are remote code execution vulnerabilities, then you have 13 information disclosure vulnerabilities, 9 spoofing vulnerabilities, 6 security feature bypass flaws, and 5 denial of service flaws. So for a total of, with Microsoft Edge, 81. So lots of fixes in here. It's important to apply them to make sure that you stay safe. Apart from the 4 that are critical, most of the other ones are moderate. Moderate usually means it needs to have some help. So either it has to be done on the computer itself, or you have to already have access, for example, through one of the critical flaws to at least get the other ones working. So it's important to fix your computer. And make sure that you that you update your system with this latest feature update for Windows 10. In there's a few little fixes that Microsoft pushed also for Windows 10. So there are a few little things that they seem to have wanted to fix to make sure that everything was all right. So if you have this update, it might fix a little something that you had going on that wasn't working right. One of them, apparently Bluetooth problems with headsets. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.